Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be doing a quick review of Nudco. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Nudco deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. Nudco is an intimate wellness brand that focuses on women's intimate care and sexual well-being. The company aims to make conversations about intimacy more open and accessible while offering products designed to support comfort, confidence, and intimate skin health. One of Nudco's standout products is its intimate oil, which features an innovative oat-based probiotic formula. The product is designed to support the delicate skin of the intimate area by helping soothe dryness, redness, irritation, and itching. The formula is marketed as 100% natural, unscented, and made with ingredients intended to support the natural balance of the intimate area's microbiome. A major strength of Nudco is its focus on gentle, skin-friendly ingredients. The oil can be used as part of an intimate skincare routine after shaving, after exfoliation, or for external massage and comfort. Many users appreciate that it avoids strong fragrances and is designed specifically for sensitive skin. The premium packaging and women-focused design are also part of the brand's appeal. Nudco positions its products as both functional and discreet, making them easy to incorporate into everyday self-care routines. The main limitation is that results can vary depending on individual skin sensitivity and personal needs. Additionally, the oil is intended for external use only and is not compatible with condoms or intimate devices, which may limit its use for some people. Overall, Nudco is worth considering for women looking for a natural intimate skincare product focused on comfort, hydration, and supporting sensitive skin. Its unique oat-based probiotic approach and emphasis on intimate wellness help it stand out from many traditional intimate care products. If you're looking for discounts, Nudco frequently offers seasonal promotions, bundle deals, first-time customer offers, subscription savings, and occasional coupon codes through its official website. Checking for current promotions before purchasing can help you save money. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Nudco deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.